G'day guys, I'm the LiQWYD, and I thought today I'd show you my quick fix that I did in a car park on my way out to Ladies Well, which is probably about half an hour out past East Gresford, roughly probably an hour and a half from Newcastle, 2.5 hours, 3 hours from Sydney, and lovely spot. I'll show you some photos of it. And anyway, my inverter decided to die that I had my fridge hooked up to, and I was kind of panicking. I was thinking, what am I going to do? So I went to Super Cheap, got some thick gauge wiring, 5mm, 5.5 I think, 12-volt socket, roughly probably, I think I spent about $26, $27 or something like that. And yeah, buddy, hooked me 90-litre fridge freezer, King's fridge freezer, up to the socket, and pretty well hardwired these wires, one to the positive, one to the negative of the battery, and I ran that fridge a whole weekend, basically 36 hours or so, just hooked up to 200-watt solar blanket. And yeah, not the most ideal setup to do, but anyway, it's a quick fix, got me through the weekend, and now I've just got to fix the mess. Anyway, like and subscribe, the LiQWYD. I'll bring you some more videos, hopefully some more when I do some travels, when I get my 12-volt system ready.